goes the tank. Welcome back to Farmhouse Restore. We are finishing up our septic tank installation. The new tank is installed, as you can see. I'm currently filling it with water, and the reason you fill it with water is so that when it rains, it doesn't lift up out of the ground, which I know sounds kind of crazy considering this is a concrete, 10-ton vault, but it will actually float on water, believe it or not. So currently filling it, almost full. This is a 2-compartment tank, so your solids, your toilet paper, and your number 2s go into the first part, and then the liquids come over and go into the liquid tank, and then they go out into the ground through that pipe there. The solids stay in the tank if they make it to this side because of the yellow flapper. Deflects any solids from coming out into the ground, which you don't want because you don't want solids in your leach field. That'll make it not work. So, almost there. Got my stone. Gonna put a little more stone on that, and then I'm gonna cover it up. And then we're gonna be all set for our new septic whenever we get the remodel done, which is coming very soon here. We finally got the permit back. So, looking forward to getting started on this project. Stay tuned.